This is the lightning round, day trading degens. I want to thank everybody for being here tonight. Yes, yes, sir. All right. Just a quick market recap here. All right, team. I want to welcome everybody here to the day trading degens. I am your host, Charles Becco. We know it kind of gets a little fishy here on Fridays, so I may be up here by myself today. I just want to do a quick market recap for everybody here. Yeah, we just want to do a quick market recap here. Just give me a second while I get the links going for everybody. There goes my homegirl, Sabrina. Sabrina, introduce yourself to the crowd. Sabrina, there you go.
Charles, you're in the Matrix.
Yeah, okay, cool. Introduce yourself.
You're in the Matrix, my friend. You are in the Matrix. Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the lightning round. My name is Sabrina. I am a trader. I work for Merrill Lynch. I buy and sell equities, crypto, and real estate. And I will be in this room for a short period tonight to help out Brother Charles. Hopefully this is a quick lightning round.
Boom. How does this
Back
sound?
to you, Charles.
Does it sound better?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, we are streaming via YouTube. Again, I'm just making sure I'm copying the link address, getting it out to the various chats and discords out there. Again, I want to thank everybody for being here today. Okay, you could go to our YouTube page. We are live via YouTube. If you want the link, you just got to give me a second, as it was just generated, right? But yeah, what happened in the market today? All-time highs. We got all-time highs for Tesla, for Microsoft, for SPY, right? Netflix, also Ethereum, at all-time highs here, right? And so, let me see here. Let me just make sure I got everything up. I think that's everything. Right there. And so let me just share for our crowd on YouTube. Again, I want to thank everybody for being here. Megan, I see you on the stage. Introduce yourself to the crowd, Megan.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Megan. I am a financial planner, tax strategist, wife, and mama of three. You can probably hear my little one fussing in the background. And then I also trade with the Brooklyn Traders Group as well. So that's a little bit about me. Back to you, Charles.
Okay. Gotta get this link going.
Hey, Charlene, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, everyone. I am Charlene. I am true believer, wife, mother, soon-to-be ex-restaurateur, and newbie trader. Because I know, right? I'm always learning something new. Welcome.
All right.
I'm so glad you ladies are here.
Don't worry, I won't hold you. I know Sabrina, I know you got things to do. It's Friday, right? You're not trying to be up on no computer all night. I understand.
I want to be like Sabrina when I grow up.
You want to be like Christina? Everybody want to be like Christina. I mean Christina. I mean Sabrina. I'm thinking about my sister Christina. Her and her husband just closed on their first house. Yay!
Congratulations!
Yeah, very happy for the new homeowners here, right? So, all right, let's go to what happened in the market today, right? Kind of a crazy nutso day, right? Let me see. Just want to make sure we're on the same chart. I think we're all on the same chart. Sabrina, you want to just grab everybody's attention and get them on the YouTube. You're like great. Every time you make that YouTube announcement, folks really do be getting on the YouTube. They really be listening.
Okay.
There's a new feature.
Oh, yeah, he just did it. He just created it. All right, guys. So Charles is going to be going through charts, right? And it's going to be beneficial for you guys to see what he's looking at. And in order to do that, you got to go to the YouTube. If you need the link, hit me up in the back end, or Megan or Charlene. We can.
If you have your app updated,
Yeah, and Charles has the link in his bio as well. So if you guys need the link, just hit us up. We can send it to you. It's way more beneficial if you guys see the charts and you can actually see what Charles is looking at. And he also has his face up in there, so it can be a little more personal.
Hey y'all, in YouTube land. All right. So
back to you, Charles.
Crazy day here in the SPY. Just like nuts, right? Let's get into it. You can't tell from these bars, but basically we had kind of a textbook setup here. Closed all the way down here at 453 SPY. Then we just gapped up 455. It just ripped up yesterday. Then we went down to test the previous low from yesterday, and we made all-time highs, right? So that short setup was completely broken by two very bullish days, right? Now that we're hit all-time highs, I say that we continue into next week. We pushed pretty hard, especially towards the end. If you follow, continuation, this is the time, right? Sometime between 30 minutes to close to an hour to close. This is when the institutions show their hands, right? During the daytime, there could be a lot of back and forth, but towards the end of the day, right? And it was the same thing like yesterday, right? You see this big buy from 457 all the way to 458 and a half. Right in the close, right? And that kind of gave me an indication that yesterday was going to be bullish, that today was going to be bullish, but we had a situation overnight where Apple and Amazon, they were both down 5% at one point, right? Came all the way down here. You see it on a 1 minute time frame, and I thought we were just going to have a very bearish day. So we established some shorts in the market. Got clapped on them, right? Actually, no, I shouldn't say we got clapped. Right at market open, the shorts were working out, and then they decided to say, hey, you know what? No, that's not going to work, right? And team, we have our setups. Our setups don't work all the time. If you notice, there are a lot of people out there, and they go out there, and they cap, talking about they don't get clapped. But you do get clapped. If you win, 60% of your trades, you're like a world-class trader. You're a world beater. Even if you were 51% win percentage, that's awesome, right? So I'm really suspicious when I hear people, especially online, talking about they got a 90-odd% win rate. Okay. Anyway, it's just not realistic. Again, we had a textbook setup. You guys know it, right? We had the engulfing candle here, took it, and just went the other way on SPY. Qs were never short. So basically, SPY broke its short setup. Let me look at the Dow here. Probably the Dow as well. Dow, yes. Dow did break its short setup, right? Could be closed up there. Didn't make all-time highs, but the short setup is broken on the Dow. And I'm pretty sure if I look at the IWM, the Russ is a funny bag of rice, right? But it's dang near it. I mean, literally just a few cents to the north side, and that short setup is broken, right? So the market just wants to go higher here, right? What are the culprits? Look at Netflix, okay? And team, we're only taking 5 tickers tonight, right? So be the first 5. My man Aaron sees the first one. He wants to look at CVNA. So thank you, Aaron. Please get me the tickers because I'm letting y'all know we're only doing 5 tonight from the audience, okay? Because we had a lot to cover, today, and it's Friday. People want to get out. I understand. Again, Netflix all-time highs. Again, here's the third call out, right? So we had Bitcoin price target 67,000 all-time highs. We hit that. We had Tesla $1,000 target. We hit that. Netflix 700 price target. It's coming, right? Again, what we do very well here at Brooklyn Traders, we're analysts, right? We're analysts. We put out price targets, and hey, I'm so glad about this, right? Netflix here, Microsoft hitting all-time highs as well. Tesla hitting 1100. At one point, this was a perfect pin for all you options technicians out there, for people who like to run butterflies. This would have been an awesome day to have a butterfly on Tesla here, right? And if you don't know what that is, the first person to message me in my inbox on Clubhouse, okay? If you don't know what that is, I will give you the butterfly class free of charge, okay? I'll send it to you. Oh, dang. Did y'all even wait? Oh, dang. What's going on? Okay, y'all didn't hit me yet. Okay, again, we got a free class to the first person who messages me. Oh. So somebody named Jack Ma was the first person to message me, but he just said hi. So I guess Jack Ma gets a class. Hey, Jack Ma, let me get some stock. This guy's name is Jack Ma. All right, pretty cool, pretty cool. But
he has 0 followers and is following no one.
Hey, I said the first person. I didn't give no stipulations. So Jack Ma gets the class, everybody. Okay, butterfly options class, really good here at Brooklyn Traders. What I love about butterflies is that they cost about a third of the cost of a single option, but then you get 10x that. It 10x's or 20x's if you get a perfect pin. And today, right around 3:00, you got like a, no, it's not. I guess not exactly 3. It was 3:44. You had a perfect pin on Tesla here at 1100. Typically you want to target the round numbers, right? On Fridays for the butterfly, right? And so fantastic option an option strategy here. So that's Tesla, Microsoft, all these guys are all-time highs. I can't show you Ethereum. I don't feel like putting up TradingView. Well, I can't. Let me not do that. Oh wait, I can do ETHE, I think. Okay, you can see the grayscale Ethereum. This should be the same. Oh, wow. So the grayscale trust isn't exactly, but Ethereum did hit at all-time highs here. I don't know why this isn't. This should be 1-to-1 to Ethereum here, but for whatever reason, it definitely is not BITO, because I think BITO tracks Bitcoin, right? Yeah, so BITO's down there. But we did see some running from some of the crypto tickers, right? So here's Coin. Yeah. Again, a lot of these guys I feel are more weighted towards Bitcoin, but Ethereum had a nice move today. Yeah, so that's basically it right there. All right, now, Charlene, would you mind?
Mana also had a really nice move.
Oh, you
today
said Humana?
Facebook news.
You said who?
That
Humana?
Facebook is going into the land of virtuality.
So
Mana, M-A-N-A.
Mana, okay.
It's Medellin.
Okay, Mana. Let's check out Mana.
Now I gotta
Manatron?
go check my thing. Thank you,
It's
Sabrina.
Decentraland.
Wait, is when you say Mana, are you talking about a crypto?
Yes,
It's a
I am.
coin, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't see it. It's not here. I could look at another time. I don't feel like pulling up TradingView right now. It's kind of bothersome.
No, I'm just sharing information.
Okay, cool. All right, so I think I may have my 5 tickets here. I got CVNA, AFRM, ASML, Oscar, and V. Charlene, would you mind giving us a quick reset before we get to the tickers?
Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, everyone. This is the Day Trading DJ's Room. This is a lightning round where we pull up the charts live on YouTube. You send us the tickers normally, and you decide based on what you see live on YouTube whether you want to buy, sell, or hold. We are here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday just for you. Please do me a favor and click on the green house above the title of the room so you know that when we are opening these rooms again. The link to the YouTube, if you have your app updated, is right below the title. Just click on that link and you'll go straight to YouTube. Other than that, if you can't hop on, go ahead and send me a message on the back end and I'll get you the link. Over to you, Charles.
All right, thank you so much, Charlene. All right, team. Yeah, CVNA, Carvana. Hey, Carvana looks good here. You know, you got a squeeze working, positive histogram, 8 crossover to 21 EMA. I like it. I've got multiple buy signals here. MACD cross, squeeze here on the daily time frame. 8 over to 21. This is a buy here on Carvana. Where does it want to go? I see $30. 330 price target on Carvana. All right, Carvana there. Next one is AFRM for Jasmine Smallwood. Jasmine, thank you so much for joining. Team, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. AFRM is doing great. I just wish I was in it. Dang it, Charlene. What option contract did you have in AFRM? Did you have like Novembers and Decembers?
For AFRM, since my last big win, I haven't touched that baby.
Team,
Today was, if you're talking about the ones I was talking about today in the Discord, those are all Microsoft spread out all over November, January, and they're looking very lovely.
I was actually mentioning the original team. I'm gonna let you guys know. I told y'all the whole team, the whole squad over here in Brooklyn Traders is dangerous. Charlene was talking about AFRM since when AFRM was like $60 and I remember she pointed it out. Blah blah. I wasn't paying attention. I was doing other stuff, and like I think like a few days later, like AFRM exploded from 70 to I remember overnight it was like $115. Came back on open and it's just been on cruise control higher. AFRM
I had
holdings
the
here.
1 cent strike August.
Woo! Pop the molly. I'm sweating. Woo! So what's going on with AFRM today, right? To me, right here, just based on looking at the daily, I can see that the bull side is weakening, but this is not a short. AFRM looks like it's getting mad. It's getting more power. It looks like it wants to go higher. Okay. Me personally, I would wait for a pullback to 143 to 21 there before I jumped in, but AFRM looks like it wants to go higher. AFRM, it's got that upstart energy, right? It's just getting mad. It just gets mad every day, wants to squeeze a short. So I would not be short on AFRM, okay? I wouldn't exactly say I'm long, but I wouldn't be short either. I would say more bullish than bearish. I would get in at 143 on AFRM. Next up on the list here, we've got ASML. ASML. I like the fact that the 8 crossed over to 21. I am looking for the 8 to hold 795. But I don't see any action here. I don't see anything to write home about or to get excited for. I don't see any squeezes. I don't see anything. Not to say that it just can't grind higher, right? I just don't see anything that excites me personally, right? Let me see if there's any momentum. It just looks like it needs some more time. It just needs to bake in the oven a little bit more. There's a huge gap there on the daily time frame at 8:43. So for things that endeavor not to die, we probably should close that gap at some point, right? So I guess you could target that 8:30, but it's this just looks like a very slow grinder here on ASML. I don't see anything interesting here. Next up is Oscar. Actually, my homeboy, he worked at Oscar, and I'm actually gonna go check him out. I'm gonna go check him out pretty soon. Shouts out to my man Lamont there. Okay, was with Oscar, pre-IPO. Okay, okay. The hourly 50 crossed over the hourly 200. You've got the 8s stacked positively on top of the 20 on top of the 50. The weekly, I'd like to see us above 18 and above 20, but I would say this is more bullish than bearish. I mean, we definitely got to get out of this channel at 17. I mean, let's get above 18, right? And, I'd feel a lot better with it above 18. So let me put it like this. I'm bullish over 18. I'm neutral on it under. That's what I see on Oscar here. Now let's look at V for Visa. What happened with Visa? Visa had earnings. Visa got collapsed down from 235 to 211. Okay. Oh gosh. We had a weekly short signal. Oh, goodness. Damn, we're under the weekly 50. Oh, damn. Look for Visa to possibly go to 200 here. And if the 200 breaks, it might be a long way to 200. This is a bearish candle here. This doesn't look good on Visa. This does not look good. I'm surprised that, a big, profitable company like this the technicals could look so crazy. Sometimes these things kind of, maybe the full bearish side won't play out exactly as I think it would. Yeah, $200 on Visa. Look for a 200 test. Because it's so extended, I would look for 200 to hold. But if we don't get a bounce here on the daily, we're very extended. So I would look for an oversold bounce for sure from the daily time frame. But over the next couple of weeks, Would not be surprised if we retest 200 on Visa. Look at above 213.67 on Visa there. Yeah, and that's what we got. Let me just check the messages here real quick. Definitely want to thank everybody for being here. Does anyone have any last words before we shut down? Sabrina, Megan, or Charlene?
Have a great weekend, everybody. Trade safely on Monday.
Megan?
Do something to love yourself this weekend. Make a list of all the things that you love and all the things that don't bring you joy, and focus on doing less of the things that don't bring you joy and more of the things that do bring you joy. So a little self-love this weekend before we start trading next week. Happy Friday, everybody.
I love that. Do your homework, guys. You should go into Monday knowing what you're going to do for the week, right? At least for Monday and Tuesday. So do some homework. Do your DD that you can. It's the weekend. You have some time. Doesn't take that long. So do your homework. Be careful because, like I say, all-time high, all-time high, all-time high scare me. So be careful. Over to you, Charles.
All right, team. God bless you. Have a great week. Some big wins this week. Yeah, just have a good weekend, y'all. Thanks and take care. Yeah, look for the all-time highs next week. All-time highs next week. That's what I'm thinking. That's what it's looking like. Yes, sir. We really appreciate you guys out there. Want to say God bless. God bless to everybody. Take care, everybody.